Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nahita Bright. My content is all about travel, fashion and lifestyle. In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing a Chanel bag that I got for my birthday. So without further ado, let's just get started, guys. Okay, before unboxing, I just want to tell you guys a backstory. So we went to the Chanel store on my birthday. We went to the Chanel store here in Amsterdam. However, they did not have loads of options regarding when it comes to colors. So I was quite sad because I was like, where am I gonna get my Chanel bag now? And I have to get that Chanel bag today, which was my birthday. So I contacted my personal shopper and she lives in Belgium, and she was like, in Antwerp they have loads of options. So that day we drove all the way to Antwerp, which was like, I believe 2 or 3 hours from Amsterdam. And luckily they had I think they had like 4 colors left in the medium size, the classic flap medium. They had, I believe, red, blue, pink and white. And I think I decided to choose, or I concluded on choosing this color. I'm gonna insert a video of, I think here. I was contemplating between the blue color and the pink color, which I finally chose the pink. It's quite, I would say it's bubble gum pinkish color. I honestly don't know the exact name of this color on the Chanel website because I was trying to find it but I couldn't find it. But in my opinion it looks like bubblegum pink, I believe. Okay, let me just stop rambling and show you guys. So this is what the bag came in, and quite frankly I've opened the box already because I made a reel of the bag because I was so excited. I couldn't wait, so I was like, I have to post it either on Instagram. And then because we were staying in the hotel, I didn't have this camera with me, which I normally use to create content, because I only had my vlogging camera. And so I honestly didn't have the chance to film this video, like a proper unboxing video. But I'm gonna insert somewhere how the reel looks like, I think here or there. But anyways, let me just open this box for you guys. So it came in here with the ribbon and everything, but I've removed that. And this is how the inside looks. I have to literally hold it in one hand. So this book came along. I haven't even opened it yet. This one. Let me just put it here. Look at how pretty she is. Okay. Let me just put the box down. So it came in this bag, as you all know. And then, okay, so this is the medium classic flap. It's in lambskin and in silver hardware. Let me just show you guys the back of the bag. So pretty. So there's like a pocket, there's nothing in here. And let me just open it up because I haven't worn it, by the way. When you open it up, this is what you see. Chanel rates in here. It says made in France, and the authenticity card comes with it, as you can see. Let me just remove this. It's so pretty, and I haven't even removed the stuff from it. It's so pretty, guys. One second, let me just try to close it. she's so pretty. Like I can't and I love this color because I'm trying to incorporate more colorful bags into my collection. Like for instance, I have the red chiffon bag, and other than that, I think this is the second colorful bag that I have in my collection, so I'm super happy with this. And it's so cute, like it's so girly, which I love about this bag. Like I feel I can just rock this with like all black or all white. The reason why I haven't worn this yet is because I'm gonna be going on holiday to Nigeria, Lagos for Christmas, so that's when I'm definitely gonna rock this baby. I'm super happy. And by the way, this also came with the in the box, the invoice there, and price was 6,850 euros. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice birthday gift. Like I'm not mad about it. Like honestly, I'm so happy, and I'm so grateful my boyfriend for getting me such an amazing gift for my birthday. I honestly wasn't expecting to get a Chanel for my birthday. Like I was so speechless and shook. But I'm so happy with the bag. I can't stop looking at this bag. Like she's so cute, like so amazing. But I love the color. I'm so happy that I went with this one, because the one I was contemplating between was like light blue, sky blue, baby blue-ish, and I think this one suits me more because I'm quite girly. And yeah, this is my first pink bag, and it's a classic, and it's Chanel, so yeah. So I just want to say this is the end of the video. If you like this video, comment down below if you like this kind of content, because this is my first unboxing video. So yeah, let me know if you guys want more of this kind of content, and I can unbox more stuff that I'm gonna get this Christmas, because I definitely want to like get more stuff for my holiday, because like I said earlier, I'm gonna be traveling to Lagos for Christmas, so I'm definitely gonna get new pair of heels, probably another bag, and a few outfits. So let me know down below if you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you made it to the end, thank you so much, and have a great day. Stay safe, guys. Bye.